vidIQ is a popular YouTube analytics and growth tool that provides insights, tips, and recommendations to YouTubers to help them grow their channels. While I cannot provide information on what vidIQ might have said, today, I can provide you with general recommendations that were often aligned with vidIQ's philosophy and guidance on gaining subscribers on YouTube. Keyword research. Use vidIQ's keyword tool to identify high search volume keywords relevant to your niche, title, tag, and describe your videos appropriately based on your research. High-quality thumbnails. Thumbnails act as the first impression for your video. Make them relevant and visually appealing. Engaging content. Create content that keeps the viewer engaged. The longer the viewer stays on your video, the better it will rank. Consider doing live Q&A, interactive polls, or other engaging strategies during your live videos. Consistency. Release videos regularly. It helps to have a consistent schedule that your subscribers can rely on. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, hold live sessions, and interact with your audience. This engagement can foster a more loyal community and promote sharing. Promote on other platforms. Share your content on other social media platforms. Collaborate. Work with other YouTubers in your niche to expose your channel to a wider audience. Optimize video descriptions. Include relevant keywords, links to other videos or playlists, and necessary information about your channel. Encourage viewers to subscribe. A simple call to action, like asking viewers to subscribe if they found the content valuable. Analyze and iterate. Use vidIQ's analytics dashboard to understand which videos are performing best. Study trending topics. vidIQ provides information on trending topics. Leverage this data to create content around popular and emerging trends in your niche. Video SEO. vidIQ can offer recommendations on improving your video's SEO. Ensure your titles, tags, and descriptions are optimized. Engage early. For live videos, especially, engaging your audience in the first few minutes is crucial. Promote upcoming live videos. Use the Community tab, other social media platforms. Quality over quantity. While it's important to be consistent, ensure that each video maintains a certain level of quality. YouTube algorithm takes into account watch time, engagement, click-through rate, center, and various other metrics when ranking and recommending videos.